coconut juices. First, let's try pomegranate coconut juice. Come. First, take a jar and pour coconut water. Next, add coconut pulp. Add 2 tablespoons of glucose. Add pomegranate. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. After adding all the ingredients, let's grind it. Yummy coconut juice is ready. Let's taste it. Oh, wow, very yummy. This summer, try this healthy pomegranate coconut juice. Stay cool and healthy. Next, we'll make simple coconut juice. Come. Take one jar, pour coconut water into it. Add coconut pulp. Add 2 tablespoons of glucose powder. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. What you're waiting for? Let's grind all the ingredients. Come on. Very easy to make this simple coconut juice. Let's try it. Oh, super! Very yummy. Try this simple coconut juice and comment how was the taste. Hi, now let's make strawberry flavor coconut juice. Come. Take one jar, add coconut water, add coconut pulp, add 2 tablespoons of glucose, add 1 tablespoon sugar, add 1 tablespoon of strawberry crush. Strawberry, yummy! Let's grind it without waiting. Wow, strawberry coconut juice is ready. Let's taste it. Wow, very tasty. Stay cool with these yummy coconut juices. For more videos, please like and subscribe to my channel.